This is a test of the NOAA weather radio alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by these tones to warn you of the impending hazards. Tests are normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. On days with severe weather in the area, the test may be cancelled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and watches affecting the following counties. In the KDO 89 listening area, Madison, Illinois, Monroe, Illinois, St. Clair, Illinois, Franklin, Missouri, Jefferson, Missouri, Lincoln, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, Warren, Missouri, and St. Louis City. If your receiver is tone activated, it should be reset after this test. This concludes the test for this week. Thank you.
Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area, including the cities of St. Louis, St. Charles, Belleville, and surrounding communities. Rest of today, mostly sunny, high around 80, light wind. Tonight, partly cloudy, low in the lower 60s. Light wind in the evening becoming south around 10 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. High in the upper 80s. South wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear, low around 70. South wind around 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny, high in the lower 90s. Southwest wind around 10 miles an hour. Friday night, clear, low around 70. Saturday,